We can group worksheets to work on them as a collection. When we enter data into one grouped worksheet, the data is also automatically entered into all the worksheets in the group. This is really great for data that we use that is important to a lot of sheets in the same workbook, like headers and footers or column headings that will apply to all monthly worksheets and a yearly summary. So grouping worksheets can also be used to print multiple worksheets at one time. Let's go ahead and start this learning exercise, Group Worksheets. With the Toronto sheet active, press and hold Shift. Click the Vancouver sheet, then release Shift. Notice on your title bar, it should now say Group. Click the Insert tab, and then click the Header and Footer button in the text group. On this Header and Footer Tools Design tab, go ahead and click Go to Footer in the navigation group and type Quest in the center section of the footer. Now you'll also be asked to enter your name in the left section of the footer and then click cell A1. Now click the Normal button. We can find that in the lower right side of our screen. We used this in an earlier exercise. Now with the worksheet still grouped, go ahead and click the File tab. Click Print and preview the first page. Then click the Next Page button to preview the second page if you need to. Let's click the Normal Margins button and then click Custom Margins. In the top text box on the Margins tab, you want to type in 0.5 and then click OK. Return to the Home tab. Now when we get ready to ungroup, we're going to have to come down here to the Sheet tab and right click the Toronto Worksheet Sheet tab and then click Ungroup.